Hey there, folks. Well, tonight in Eagle Bay, snow, and this is like a blizzard. I'm standing right on Route 28. Never recommend people doing this. Just got done doing a little bit of snow blowing, keeping up on the snow. Oh yeah, urn on the right, Eagle Bay House, aka the Toboggan Inn originally. Wow. Heavy flakes out here tonight, folks. This is Route 28, or some people may call it Trail 28. It is snowing out here. I better get out of the road for safety. $1,000 snowmobile sitting right there. She just turned 4,000 miles. Oh yeah. You can see the flakes, folks. It is real beyond all reason. Turn off my headlight. Yep. Mittens on. I'm in a hood, t-shirt hoodie kind of thing. Tonight, another person. Yeah. Eagle Bay snow. You get up here while you can get it. End of February. And if you like the channel, please like and subscribe to the video so I can do more awesome content like this. I'm still working on a GoPro for my snowmobile. I keep promising yes, but we'll see how that goes. It's snowing really heavily right now. I am soaking wet, folks. You have a good night. Stay safe out there.